On this episode of Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites, we have South Market preparing Poke Tuna Nachos. Stick around and find out how it's done. Welcome to Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites. I'm your host, John Scanlon, and I'm joined in the kitchen today by some very special guests. We have Dan and Cody from South Market. Guys, thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you for having us.
What do y'all have for us today?
All right, so these are our Poke Tuna Nachos. It's one of our best-selling dishes at South Market. A lot of people enjoy it. Start with we fry our chips in-house, so we've already fried them here, and we use mozzarella cheese for our nacho cheese. I'm pretty generous with it.
More cheese the better, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So we'll pop that in the oven, let that get all melty and gooey and good. Then we top it with red onion, Roma tomatoes. This is our house-made corn salsa, and this, of course, is the tuna. And then we also use a little bit of jalapeno for garnish.
Well, it's not nachos if doesn't have a little kick, right?
Yeah, it's got to have a little spicy.
Kicking it up a notch.
Yep, and we also use green onions for the garnish, make it look nice. But also, your garnish should always add something to the dish, too. So it adds a little bit of texture and crunch.
Now, this is a pretty popular item on your menu, correct?
Yes.
So
pretty popular. It's a bestseller.
It's the best-selling
really
item on our menu.
So
yes.
if I wanted to come get a Poke Tuna Nacho at South Market, I'm going to go to 232 East Main Street, Pensacola.
Yep, we're located right there behind the Pensacola Bay Brewery in the Seville Square. So
now, I've been there a couple times, and the whole area is gorgeous, but what y'all do with the building is incredible. You have a great atmosphere. I love the place.
Very easy to relax, wide open. We got a lot of outdoor space too. Walk right into the brewery also. It's right next to us. It's just simple, kind of rustic. It's good appeal to just come and relax after work or eat dinner.
My favorite part is our bar. We have a penny bar, so it's just a whole bunch of pennies gloss over the top.
It looks really incredible.
Yeah, it looks really nice. It's cool.
Yeah. And so how long do we keep that in the oven for?
15, 30 seconds, long enough to melt the cheese.
Right. Let's take those out of the oven, right on the plate. And put all of our good stuff on here. Our corn salsa.
So other than just the toppings now, this is pretty much done, correct?
Yep, and then what we're going to do is we're going to finish it with some of our spicy aioli. So we use a little bit of sriracha, a tiny bit of cayenne, and crushed red pepper, and make an aioli out of that. And that's going to be our topping, and adds some creaminess to it, and some spice with some kick, like you were saying earlier. It's not nachos without that. So here is the best part, the tuna.
We do use a whole tuna steak on every order too, the nachos also.
Wow.
You get about 4 ounces of tuna with each order.
I got you, boo-boo.
So a little bit of that on top.
A little bit of jalapenos.
All right. Jalapenos. And I think that's a pretty good looking plate of nachos.
That is awesome. Well, thank you guys for being on the show, for showing us how to do this. You can get this recipe at our website, coastalcooking.com. And please go to South Market's
eatsouthmarket.com.
eatsouthmarket.com. Go to 232 East Main Street. It's in Seville Square, next to the Pensacola Bay Brewery. Go check these guys out. And make sure you follow along with Pensacola Energy's page. Like and share this video. Who knows? These videos could save you from a night of arguing. If I don't care, where do you want to go?
Yeah, please come to South Market.
Please.
This has been Coastal Cooking Quick Bites, brought to you by Pensacola Energy.